Hawaii, an archipelago of 137 volcanic highlands, is a dream destination for many tourists. With its pristine beaches, lush green forests, and breathtaking landscapes, it's no wonder that Hawaii is one of the most sought-after vacation spots in the world. But how did Hawaii become a part of the United States? The answer is a complex and fascinating story that involves European explorers, American missionaries, and a series of political upheavals that ultimately led to the annexation of the islands. In this article, we will explore the history of Hawaii's acquisition by the United States and the various factors that contributed to it. The first recorded contact between Europeans and Hawaiians took place in 1778 when Captain James Cook arrived on the islands. Cook's arrival had a significant impact on Hawaiian society, introducing new technologies and goods and changing the island's political and economic landscape. Cook was followed by other European explorers and traders, who brought with them guns, alcohol, and diseases that devastated the Hawaiian population. In the early 1800s, American missionaries arrived on the islands, bringing with them Christianity and a new set of values. The missionaries played a crucial role in the island's development, establishing schools and promoting Western-style education. They also helped to create a written Hawaiian language, which was essential in the preservation of Hawaiian culture and history. Despite the influence of European and American visitors, Hawaii remained an independent kingdom throughout much of the 19th century. King Kamehameha III, who ruled from 1825 to 1854, modernized the kingdom's legal and political systems, adopting a constitution and establishing a constitutional monarchy. The king also encouraged trade and commerce, which helped to boost the island's economy. In 1875, King Kalakaua ascended to the throne and began a period of increased political turmoil. Kalakaua, who was seen as pro-American, negotiated a treaty with the United States that would allow Hawaiian sugar to be sold duty-free in the United States. The treaty was seen as a significant victory for Hawaii's sugar industry, but it also had significant political implications. In 1891, Kalakaua died, and his sister, Queen Liliuokalani, became the new monarch. Liliuokalani was a nationalist who sought to restore power to the monarchy and limit the influence of foreign interests. She proposed a new constitution that would have given more power to the monarchy and limited the voting rights of non-Hawaiians. Liliuokalani's proposed constitution was met with resistance from American and European business interests, who feared that it would harm their economic interests in the islands. A group of American and European businessmen formed a committee called the Committee of Safety, which advocated for the annexation of Hawaii by the United States. On January 16, 1893, the Committee of Safety staged a coup d'état, overthrowing Queen Liliuokalani and establishing a provisional government. The new government was composed of American and European businessmen and was recognized by the United States government. President Grover Cleveland, who was opposed to the annexation of Hawaii, conducted an investigation into the events surrounding the overthrow of the monarchy. Cleveland concluded that the United States had acted improperly in recognizing the provisional government and called for the restoration of the monarchy. However, Cleveland's efforts to restore the monarchy were unsuccessful, and in 1898, Hawaii was annexed by the United States. The annexation was largely driven by economic interests, particularly the desire to secure a reliable source of sugar for American industry. The annexation of Hawaii was not without controversy. Many Hawaiians opposed the annexation and felt that their country had been stolen from them. In the years that followed, there were numerous protests and uprisings against American rule, including the Hawaiian sovereignty movement, which sought to restore the Hawaiian monarchy and establish an independent Hawaiian nation. Despite these challenges, Hawaii continued to grow and develop under American rule. The islands became a strategic location for the United States military, and during World War II, the attack on Pearl Harbor brought the United States fully into the war. In the years following the war, Hawaii experienced an economic boom, with tourism becoming the state's leading industry. The islands also played a key role in the United States' efforts to exert influence in the Asia-Pacific region. Today, Hawaii remains an integral part of the United States, but its unique history and culture continue to be celebrated and honored. Hawaiian traditions, such as hula and dole, have become beloved symbols of the islands, and efforts are ongoing to preserve and protect Hawaiian language and culture. The acquisition of Hawaii by the United States is a complex and controversial chapter in American history. While it brought economic benefits to both the United States and Hawaii, it also had profound social and cultural impacts on the Hawaiian people. Understanding the history of Hawaii's annexation is essential in understanding the complex relationship between the United States and its Pacific territories. In conclusion, Hawaii's acquisition by the United States is a fascinating and multifaceted story. It is a story of exploration, exploitation, political maneuvering, and cultural exchange. Understanding this history is crucial in understanding the complex relationship between the United States and its Pacific territories and in recognizing the ongoing struggles for sovereignty and self-determination in Hawaii and other Pacific Island nations.